So guys, welcome to my channel and go to this URL first website gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Okay, then you can see a right hand side search key and click on that and type your model number of your motherboard Z790 AORUS XTREME and click to download. Click on product. Stream X only stream. This one stream. Then click to support. So select your operating system Windows 10, 11 if you are using suppose Windows 10. So you can follow the video of Windows 10 and you can install easily. LAN driver. First one i225, i226 LAN. This is version actual. Open this downloaded file, double click to exe. Then yes. And it is done and close it.